Good morning, everybody. So we are live for today. What's going on? GameStop, guys. GameStop is doing crazy right now in pre-market, 71%. As we discussed before, guys, we said the breakout from the 26 will trigger the squeeze. And finally, we have it. Some of uh, people said the squeeze will never happen again and the squeeze will happen down. And of course, we've got it. 2 weeks, guys, almost 17 days of consolidation before this jump. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Let me know if you can hear me. And let's start our live streaming for today. We have someone said if AMC is a trap. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Everything is at the right moment. We have to be ready because this is just the beginning for another movement that might happen at any time. So now we have to be ready. We have to be ready. Good morning, everybody. Let me know if you can hear me. Next level, we already traded AMC, GameStop, and AFFIE. For everybody tuning in right now, we already traded all of them in our early live streaming. Now we're gonna trade it again if we have a good entry. Next level, hear me all right. Muhammad, everything's perfect. Everything's good. Thank you, man. Thank you. Tony, Diamond Hand is here. I think from, I don't know, this flag. Anyway, you are from Mother Earth, so we are one, wherever you are, brother. Next level, I will be back tomorrow. So tomorrow will be hard for me to do the live streaming. So tomorrow, no live streaming because I will be on the road. But today we have the chance to do our live streaming exactly on the jump. So it was good that I didn't went back today because today will be pretty volatile for GameStop and AMC. Puerto Rico, South America, yeah? Nice, man. All crypto miners doing good. Hit the like, guys. If you are with me, hit the like, subscribe, share our live streaming. Of course, this is the most important thing to spread the word. To spread the word, and let's go, like I said, Tony Bologna. Let's go. Okay, look at that. GameStop, man. We already traded today. And we have a nice little profit for GameStop in the pre-market. We suggest to exit because we have a bit of pullback and level to break on the market open, of course. We did the live streaming as usual today around 1:11 or 2 hours before the market open, 2 hours and 30 minutes, or 1 p.m. CET, as usual. Just tomorrow, guys, we don't have live streaming. As we said, we're gonna be on the trip back home. So it will be hard for me to do the live streaming just for today. And we're gonna go back with the normal hours on Wednesday. But today, of course, we're doing our live streaming to hunt for the stocks again, GameStop and AMC. Lawrence, yeah, you are welcome. Yeah, the video that we did on GameStop was at the right moment that you watch it, man. The good thing that you watch it. I have a new friend, guys. New friend is next to me right now. I think he's the lucky charm for AMC and GameStop going up. New friend is just sleeping. Let me just show you who's sleeping next to me here. We have a really little cute guy is sleeping next to me. He don't want to trade. He said, I'm good. He just want to dream about bone or running behind the chicken. Simple life, man. Simple life with this guy. So he's sleeping next to me. He give us a good lucky charm for today for trade. Let's go. Exactly. Thank you, man. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Let's start our live streaming for today. Tony, how many hold? I think we're gonna have 5 or 6 would be perfect. But too many haltation is not good. It kill the run, so um okay, wait a second. Okay. 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 So GameStop, AMC looking all right. FFIE is looking pretty good. Again, guys, we discussed those 3 stocks in the pre-market, and of course, we discussed SCPX because Fate, one of our members on our Discord, this asked about this stock, and we suggest to take profit around the 15. It was good, quick trade. We entered here, we exited there before the flush. But for now, I'm not put it on the list. Instead, I'm gonna watch FFIE with AMC and GameStop. Both GameStop and AMC, as we said, guys, we already entered and we exited from our trade. Or even our hunter Dave just took his profit on this trade on the pre-market open around the 41. And of course, for us as well, we took our profit for GameStop around the 40. And now we waiting for another kick up for GameStop for another entry. So it was a good that start for today pre-market. For today pre-market was not bad. So we always prepare, guys, before the market open for those trade. So if you want to join us, the link in comment section. Just pin the message for our link to our Patreon. Once you join our Patreon, you have access to this early live streaming and live alert after we finish our live streaming. Of course, you discuss many questions here for answer all the questions for our hunters. And of course, Fade asked about SCPX, PPTH, food day hunter. We already discussed it in pre-market. PPPH is kind of breaking the resistance right now. Yes, perfect. Yes, $3.65. This is kind of the resistance or the support. And now I'm gonna lower the support here around this level. Perfect. So this one is good. Okay. So I'm gonna update the level, guys, for this one around the 415. This is the current short sellers. And yeah, this one we could put it on the list, everybody. PPPH with AMC and GameStop looking pretty nice. 480. 480, this is the target for now. Yeah, $4.77. The other level is 570. And the other level is around 745. So yeah, this is the three levels. So PPH is on the list right now, guys, to watch for. Yeah, to watch for a good trade. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add another support, but there around the $3.30. This is the level that we should hold on the market open, because now we've got just 15 minutes, just 15 minutes on the market open. We have a bit of pullback, but it's up almost 85%. I think we got some news going on here. Yes, 2 hours ago. Biopath. Yeah, we have 2 hours ago here. Aha. So we have a phase 2 combination study for treatment of acute leukemia. So phase 2. It's not still not phase 3, but we have a good result for the new drugs for leukemia or cancer drug for kind of really interesting. So this one, that's why we have a huge jump. Not one, but here. Let me just show you. This is the first jump, and this is the second. And I think I found something here. We've got a little breakout here. It was perfect in the pre-market. No, it happened after we finish our live streaming. Yes, it happened after we finish our live streaming on Discord. So yeah, this one have a really good breakout here. If we go to AMC, GameStop, perfect. Yes. So GameStop and AMC, I think we're gonna wait for confirmation. Either we reverse or flush down, because it was good for entry in the pre-market. We entered here, exited there around the 5 before the 550. So now is a bit risky to enter. But PPBH and FFIE looking pretty good, guys. Both of them are active. Samuel said keep SMNT on the radar. KTRA. Thomas, we already discussed AMC chart. Siri have 100 million volume. Okay. SIRI. IRI. Perfect. I'm gonna put it. I don't like it, man. It's dead, kind of dead. CRKN. I'm gonna put it here on the list. KTRA. Gonna put it on the list. Lucy. I'm gonna keep it on the list. I will check it. I will check those three guys very quick. If it's good, I'm gonna keep it. If it's not good, I'm not gonna keep it. Simple as that. So KTRA, not right yet. It's not good yet until we break the 41. Otherwise, no good. If we broke the 41, we're gonna have 49, 67. Support 23. And the other two we have KTRA. Let's see, Lucy. For Lucy, we have support 69. Resistant to break is, yeah. The trend is kind of shabby, so resistance $1.33, profit 178, 274. But for now, I'm gonna keep it later. It's not that good for me right now. CRKN, I'm gonna check it very quick. Yeah, for CRKN, we have the 1627, target 26. If we broke it, would be perfect. 50%. I will lower. The first profit taken should be lower. Yeah, should be around yeah, around the 20 cents. So we have the 20 cent and the 26 cent. Good boy. Okay. He just he just went to the couch to sleep there. Okay. Lucy. Nothing much. Okay, so yeah, CRKN, we've got breakout about to happen around the 16, target 20 and 28. But for now, guys, let me just check the waiting list or the watch list for today. PPTH is number one, of course. CRKN, nope. Nah, FFIE is good. We've got AMC, of course. We've got Imbot and this one, nope. Let me just very quick check this one. We'll pass on that one as well. SMMT, let me just check. Yeah, some of you said we should keep SMAT on the list because, yeah, look really good. So let me just put SMAT on the list with FFIE, guys. FFIE should be number one right now because we might have the squeeze. I'm gonna put it just right below AMC with PPTH and SMAT. Those are the one that we should watch out for. Yes. What else? Yeah, we got just 10 minutes. Remember, guys, hit the like on the way in. We have 50. We almost hit the 100, 100 likes. Where's the monkeys? Where's the apes? The apes are sleeping. As we discussed from the last video that we did yesterday, guys, if we broke the resistance, boom, we're gonna have action. We have a great question from Greg or Arbon 9898. What broker I'm using? I'm using those stock. If you are living in Europe, brother, wait a second. If you live in the United States, you have Momo. If you're using, or if you're living in Europe, you could use Trading 212. So I'll put the link down in the live chat section, and you could try both if you like, and decide because both of them are good. So FFIE is moving, everyone. FFIE is moving. So let me just check what's going on here. So FFI is moving, PPTH is moving, SMAT is moving from the reversal. So all those stocks looking good, guys. Let me just double check if we got something over there. Yeah, PPTH number one, GameStop number two. Volume wise, the GameStop is it's gonna be really big today. 31 million. Top volume gainer is for sure CRKN. After that, FFIE, SCPX, and after that, AMC and GameStop. Yeah, so today we're gonna have a spicy day. Look at this. FFIE is moving. Bron asked about LFG. Remember, guys, at the market open, we couldn't, or it would be hard for us to check any requested stocks. LFG, guys, or brother, I don't see it on my broker here. So, FFIE is preparing for a kick before the market open. Guys, let me just check again. We have a few minutes left. Let me just check here. How many minutes left on the market open? We've got 6 minutes on the market open, guys. So let us discuss our disclaimer before I forget. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly, guys. We're not a financial advisor. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And the other thing we have to discuss is, guys, we have 60 likes. We need 100. 100 likes before the market open. Is it possible? Yes, it is. Because today will be a special day, guys. The market is volatile. The monkeys came from the jungle, want to eat. They are hungry. GameStop and AMC waited almost 3 weeks, guys, for no action. Yeah, we check hologram in the pre-market, early pre-market live streaming 3 hours ago. And we suggest that the price will get rejected, so we don't trade it because the price now is pulling back. You see, we hit a major resistance almost around the $2, so it's a bit weak, so we're not watching it. We're watching AMC and GameStop, which we already took profit on it. Even our hunters took profit on GameStop. Nice hunt for Dave, one of our members. Elite members right now, actually. He upgraded his level from the discipline to the elite. For sure. Nice, brother. We're gonna, I don't know if you are watching right now. If you're watching Brother Dave, let me know because I'm gonna explain you something here on the live would be easier. So if you're watching our live streaming right now, let me know. So I'm gonna explain you what you're gonna get right now because you upgraded from the discipline to the king, then the king to elite. So I'm gonna show you what you should do. Already send you the link to book your meeting, of course, with us. And the other thing I'm gonna discuss once you confirm that you are watching. So I'm gonna tell you what you do after that. Anyway, guys, hit the like button on the way in. As we said, already had the good trade in the pre-market live streaming here that we did earlier for our Discord and Patreon members. We discuss many stocks, and for sure, what AMC, one of them, and GameStop. And we closed our trade for GameStop and AMC because we saw a bit of weakness. FFIE, we traded as well here in our early live streaming. 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open. As you can look here, we suggest to exit and enter exactly around this bottom, guys, the 68. We have a really good dip for FFIE, and that's why we exited after we took profit from GameStop and AMC and FFIE. Now we waiting for the market open to have more action. Everybody asking where GameStop will go. This is the most important question right now. Everybody asking, are we gonna have the 80 again? Because we have many bag holders still waiting to exit. So we might have um, like a trigger for massive selling if we have this reaction, people closing their position early to exit before a drop because it's a psychological level. A lot of people holding for a lot. Some people, some holding for years, and some other just bought lately, so holding for almost 1 month. So this is what will affect the price. Depends on who gonna close their position and how big, and the timing. This is will affect the price to go higher and make the short squeeze. So it's not about the short seller anymore right now. It's the bag holders. So GameStop reversing again near the support. AMC reverse again from the 520. Great reaction. FFIE pulling back. And PPTH is testing for a breakout just below the 422. This is a really good, interesting level to reverse from, everybody. Yeah, double top right now. 2 minutes left, guys. Two or less than 2 minutes. Yes, less than 2 minutes. Good afternoon, John. Guys, come on. We almost have 200 people watching, but just 85 likes. Come on, we can do better. We can do better and hit the 100 likes before we start our live streaming. Remember, guys, we always do our live streaming early every day, 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. If you don't know what Patreon is our exclusive community that we do early live streaming, we do Zoom meeting, we do a short analysis update during the market open, day trade, swing trade, cryptos, you name it. We do it every day here around our live streaming, unicorn hunt that we do many times here. We traded many unicorns, and of course we close our trade with profit, so we don't just hold, we take profit, of course, on the way. So let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like button on the way in. The market's about to open Monday the 3rd of June, or the first trading session in this month of summer, guys. Let's have a hot market because today I can feel the market is hot. That I don't know how many degrees here. It's getting almost the 150 Fahrenheit here. So the market is promising and hot. So guys, let's get right to it. Hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification, and let's get right to it. Of course, 101 before the market open, and everyone watching GameStop and AMC. Remember, guys, let's get right to it. Remember, tomorrow we're not gonna have live streaming, just in case if you're wondering, because I will be traveling, and we're gonna go back to do live streaming on Wednesday. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss AMC and GameStop because both of them jumped almost 100% for GameStop. As we discussed, guys, we suggest to take profit on this one because we saw that the short seller just added their position around the 42.50, and now we might have a pullback. So now is kind of waiting for the big buyer to come to make the short seller cover around the 42.53. FFIE looking pretty good to break from the 676. PPTH already broke. SMAT, no much. Not much. Okay, so we have three stocks right now, or four. PPTH broke from the resistance on the market open. So this is a good reaction. Now we've got the target around the 477. AMC, guys, is pumping. AMC pumping and dumping. Guys, big seller around the 580. Support right now we should hold is over the 520. And I think AMC got halted, guys. Almost got halted. Almost. So it's still not halted yet. GameStop maybe is halted around the 38. Yeah, GameStop I think is halted right now. Let me just check the trading stocks halt. Yo, the first halt, guys, for GameStop. The first halt. AMC is still trading. No haltation yet because we've got a big buyer around the 521. This is our flush area. If we broke it, is me, we gonna have a flush. Is like yeah, you know what is mean a flush. Is going down without stopping. Big drop. But now still holding the 520. Good. GameStop, the same, still holding the 37.33. So after the unhold, guys, we might have a huge reversal if we still holding the 37.33 to have a reversal here. This is it. The market is huge today. We're gonna have a huge day, guys. So hit the like, subscribe. We're gonna have a nice day for today. Exactly. Happy said, good morning, Habibi. What a day, what a day. GameStop is halted down. AMC kind of breaking the support, guys. That's the main reason, guys, we suggest to take a bit of profit for both of them because yeah, both of them were really up for at least for GameStop. Short seller added twice here, 46 and yeah, around the 47. Then they added around the 42.50. So we have a bit of weakness. It's not over yet, of course. It's not over until Jesus say it's over. AMC is still, guys, is struggling. I think we kind of broke the support. Let's see and wait for this 1 minute to close over the 520. Yeah, it's kind of still holding for AMC over the support. Perfect. Look at that. Really good. So PPH, guys, that had a nice breakout here before the market opened. So I'm gonna put support there around $3.76, $3.67, and the bottom $2.93. So still, guys, PPTH on the list, the top gainer for today, with almost 100 million. FFIE flashing down because we didn't break the 76. So FFIE is not in the trade anymore, guys. It's not good anymore. After this flush is not good. Okay, I'm gonna give it a bit of time for reversal, but I'm not entering here yet. Perfect. PPTH looking good. AMC broke the support, everybody. Yeah, it's broke the support. Yeah, the support is really tricky right now for AMC after we broke this level. Yeah, it's really tricky right now. It should be around the 455. Should be the bottom for AMC. Now is kind of flushing for AMC, guys. We have the 455 as a bottom to hold. Let me just check how much we have this drop for. 10%. So we're gonna be 7% up still. Not bad. GameStop the same, guys, is pulling back. We have interesting level to yeah, is unhalted, guys. We have a flush down until the 35. We broke the support, so now we might get halted up if we broke the 37, 33. Otherwise, we're gonna continue down toward the 31.82. That's the main reason, guys. We close our trade for today for GameStop, as you can see here, before the market open around the 13.39. That's why we suggest to take profit around the 40. Our hunter here, Dave, just took it around the 41 even in the pre-market, guys. This is how crazy and scary it could be the trade. Look at this. Unhalted and halted down and still going down right now. From almost 100% right now, 49. So GameStop getting shorted. Reason, double top around the 46.90. That's why we have an exit from this trade in the pre-market, guys. This is getting crazy. Gooby, all red day today, buddy. No, man, in pre-market was green. We have a huge green day in the pre-market, man. That's why we always trade in the pre-market, guys. That's why we always trade in the pre-market. And we already took our profit for GameStop and even AMC on our live streaming that we did 2 hours 30 minutes as usual, early live streaming. So that's why we do live streaming early, guys, because usually the pre-market was pretty good for GameStop and AMC and FFIE and all of them. It was perfect, but now it's most of them are pulling back. So we don't have to rely on just the market open. There is pre-market. Usually I trade the after hours, but after hours here is too late. I go to sleep. I don't need money, man. And after hours, if you tell me like, Jesus, trade after hours and you're gonna get like millions, I'll tell you no. Sleep is more. I like sleep and food first, then come money. You know, if I can, if I don't sleep well or I don't eat well, how I could trade, man? You tell me trade in after hours, I'm gonna lose money instead. So that's why after hours I don't trade, everybody. I don't care. I don't care if you tell me some stock jump 500%. No, 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 no. It's not my cup of tea or my cup of cappuccino. Okay? You have to have rules, guys. Don't be tempted. If you're tempted easily, you're gonna be distracted easily. And now we live in a world of this distraction. You're gonna get easily distracted is mean game over. You're gonna be game over. You see here, not good, not good. We have BNAI flushed down, I think, so I'm gonna take it from the list. We have ASST, or yeah. We don't have to think too much here. The market is obvious. AMC and GameStop is getting shorted because they're pumping big time in the pre-market. They didn't hold the gains on the market open. It was perfect entry in a pre-market, but now it's kind of risky to enter. That's why we exited with our profit early before the market open. We anticipated this kind of pullback in the market open. For FIE pulling back, PPBTH, this is the only one that's still holding the gains, guys. This is the only trade or only stock that's still strong. Remember, guys, we always do our live streaming every day, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, not this live streaming, but even pre-market early live streaming. As you can see here, we traded mini stocks, AMC, GameStop. We took our profit before the market open. GameStop, we said there's a resistance. Watch out for the market open. That's why Dave take his profit on the market open today, before the market open, of course, during the pre-market. And for us as well, around 139, as you can see here, almost 2 hours before the market open, because we anticipated the selling pressure will happen. Of course, the link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join early live streaming to our Patreon and Discord. And right now, everybody said the market is red today, but in the pre-market was pretty good. But guys, still, there's a chance for reversal. It's not over yet. GameStop is still 50%. Now we have the 3182 as acting as a support. I'm gonna lower the resistance at the moment. We might have a huge test for this level, guys, the 38, which is the current resistance where we flushed from, 38.50. Now we need to hold the 31.82 to stop this bleeding. We have a huge bleeding, AMC especially, because it's halted down, guys. First, GameStop halted, then now AMC. We're gonna have a huge action, guys. Yeah, today is a huge action day. We've got another stocks got halted, guys. BOND, XPER. What a day. What a day we have here. Let's see, BOND, nothing much, I think. And JSPR. I think we traded this one. I remember this name, but it doesn't look good. MBOT, guys, squeezed. This one, we missed this one, I think. MBOT, some of you asked me about this one earlier. Let me just check the other stocks. PEGY, it's kind of started to reverse. Yes. So MBOT hitting two profit taken. I think we already discussed this one. Yeah, we already discussed this one before. Because now broke from our resistance, the $1.31. I think this happened on the market open. Yes, it was perfect. Let me just check how much we could have done here. 32%, man. Now I feel a bit of FOMO. Now I feel a bit of FOMO, everybody. Yeah, this one's still alive. Alive and kicking. So if you are alive and kicking, I might put it around the $2.12. Yeah, FFIE holding the support. AMC is kind of reversing. GameStop is testing the bottom, guys. We might have a good entry. So imagine buying AMC, Neomara, FCL. Okay. Good morning, swing picking. Swing picking, change in plan, man. My flight got delayed. I changed the flight. Sorry about that. But it's confirmed tomorrow, brother. Tomorrow. I'll be back home. I changed the flight. Things, we live in the real world, sometimes things happen. So I changed the flight for tomorrow. So tomorrow there is no live streaming as a reminder, everybody, if you're watching here, no live streaming on Discord or Patreon or YouTube. Just tomorrow, we're gonna go back to discuss the market on Wednesday. So today we did our live streaming because I'm not moving. We have internet, we have everything we want. Water, of course, holy water. And we have two dogs protecting us. There's no reason that we don't do our live streaming for today. Anyway, GameStop is still going down, guys. We have a 31.80 still going down. We've got a big seller, man, still adding. Yeah, 37.33 now. This is the seller place. And support is breaking even for this. Yeah, it's kind of broken now. No, not yet. Let's see. 31.18. The bottom, of course, is over the 25 and 24, guys, for GameStop. But we don't want to go there. It would be really weak. We need to reverse here anytime soon. Big seller added their position around 37, 33. So this is the current resistance. AMC, the same. Big seller came around the 580. IE, game over for today. Not game over yet because it still have a support, but in a weak situation. Imbot, guys, is the one. Imbot is the one, guys. Is squeezing like crazy now. We have a support, but it's a bit far now. $2.12 could be our resistance, and the party could be over here. Okay, so this is it. Imbot is overextended. It was really good on the market open to enter, but we missed this trade because I was watching other stocks. It's about to hit the major resistance Imbot. And this one, I will lower the support there. Yes, this is it for this one. We have to hold over the $3. $3.30, yes. $3.30 should be a good level to break or to hold. Let me just put the box there. Exactly that. $4.33. We have the $5, 570. Let us check the halted stock for today. Let me refresh. We got newcomers for the halted stocks. What does mean halted stocks? Is mean the stocks is pretty volatile that uh, the exchange try to lower the volatility by stopping the trading for the stock. There's no buying and selling. TRN. Some people like this kind of strategy to trade the halted stock, but it's pretty risky, man. Pretty risky. PLTNU. We have CMG. We have SMR. Yeah, today we have many guys, many stocks to watch because they are halted. So this one not good. This one no good. This one, what a crazy jump, 66%, man, and halted down, crazy. SMR guys halted down 98% down. I think we have a reverse split or something, or split. Anyway, it's not our main focus because there's nothing to do with this. What a crazy recovery for SCBX. Recovered good. Look at that. Yeah, we had the 15. Now testing the 15 again. Wow, GameStop started to reverse everybody from the 3080. Finally. Finally, GameStop started to reverse. Even AMC. FFIE, no reversal yet. MBOT got rejected. So MBOT this one, we need to hold here would be good if we held over the 155. Would be good reversal. ASRT going to be the next huge short squeeze. Chris, nice. I will check ASRT for you, brother. And about the huge short squeeze, I don't know about this. We have to check the technical first. As we discussed, GameStop was exceptional and tantalizing trade from the last Friday, and that's why we discussed it yesterday and Sunday video. And that's what happened once we broke the resistance, squeezed. Bitcoin also pumping. SMR is delisted. Someone said about SMR if it delisted. Yeah, GameStop and AMC, we might have a pull trap. So be extremely careful because the GameStop, yeah. Let me just lower the resistance there. Yeah, we've got a major resistance to break. What else we got? What else we got? MBOT is still not finished yet. Okay, ASRT for my brother, Chris. Not my real brother, but my brother in soul wise. Anyway, ASRT, brother, not good for now until we break the 130. So we already discussed this before. We said the 130 is the measure that we have to break for this stock to squeeze. But if we still consolidating after even good two earnings and there's no reaction, yeah, the reaction happened from the bottom, of course, here. We jumped 60%. However, the major level that we have to break is the 130 target 205. This is almost 100%. Let me check here. Yeah, 55% for ASRT. And about the squeeze, yeah, if we have the breakout without any rejection around the 205, we might see a really good mega squeeze for ASRT. But for now, there's no action. 75K worth of volume and just 10K or 10 something for this squeeze. So we have to be ready for it. I will keep it on the list. But for now, I'm watching Mbot because it's the strongest one, to be honest with you guys. I would double check again. We have, nope, we don't have another thing. I will check this one, BNED, flashing down. Okay, let me just check this one. Let's check crypto stocks. Whoa, yes, yeah, okay. Not bad for Mara, not bad. Yeah, Mara doing all right. Coinbase as well. But still didn't break a major level, at least for Mara on Coinbase. If we go cryptos, we've got Ethereum, Bitcoin, still not all-time high. We're struggling for going back to all-time high. So not much. Let me just go. BBTH. Still watching this one closely. As we discussed earlier, we said BBTH have a nice support to hold. Resistant tested at the market open, but we didn't break it. To be honest with you guys, MBOT was the best trade on the market open, but as we said, we were watching other stocks. I forgot to put alert, to be honest. Around the 130, it was a really good breakout for this one. Guys, hit the like on the way in. We almost hitting the 200 likes. We have many monkeys and apes hungry to trade GameStop. Yes, we have huge pullback for GameStop and AMC, and they have kind of pulled back some more right now. Edson said NVAX is ATM machine. Okay, GameStop is still flushing down, guys. Be extremely careful. The short is still shorting. It's going down to the bottom. GameStop going back to the bottom. Crazy, man. Almost 100% and still pulling back. And the main reason is the haltation on the market open here. This has triggered kind of fear from the traders that been holding before. They close their trade because they are bag holders. They can't see the holding again, holding GameStop. So it's not just so thorough as we said, guys. This is bag holders that been holding GameStop for at least 17 days before this is jump. So this is normal that we have this kind of weakness on the market open, but the pre-market, as we discussed, guys, this one was pretty good in our live streaming 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open. It was really juicy trade. Nice fade trade. Out MBOT around the 170. Great hunt, brother. Great hunt. As we discussed for GameStop, we suggest to take profit on it before the market open around the 139 CET. So I don't have to change it for now. AMC will close the trade as well. Of course, we've got, yeah, Imbot, we already discussed it now. We're still watching it. Now it's pulling back, Imbot. Um, everybody, Samuel, everybody said that that ASRT could be the mega squeeze stock, the next AMC. Everybody looking for the next AMC or GameStop. 40% short could be a right big pumper, yes. What else? Let me just check again if we have another stock got halted. We have many, guys. Many stocks. Let me just check here. Yeah, we have halting. Guys, hit the like button on the way in, don't forget. We discuss Mbot, one of the top gainer for today. We didn't trade it because the breakout happened during the market open, and during the market open, we were watching other stocks. But I'm just checking if we have it in Europe. Yeah, we have it. Let now see if we could open big position. Yes. So kind of we missed this trade because it was perfect entry here around the 139 and we jumped 50%. So now it's kind of overextended. That's why we have a struggle to break the $2. MBOT is still good. FFIE is still kind of good because it went down around the support. So it would be good to see a reversal there. AMC, on the other hand, is still getting near the support, and GameStop broke that support and is going to the bottom over the 2660. So yeah, we have a huge pullback for GameStop. Huge. Let us see that top loser. Wait a second, we don't have someone pumping down 90%. So MBOT looking like a bit weak near the 2.06. PPTH is reversing from the support, and AMC and GameStop is pulling back. That's why we suggest to exit, guys. With our hunters here, we suggest to for exit before the market open, and we suggest to re-enter if we broke the resistance, but it didn't happen. We did this alert update on our live streaming today early as usual around the 1 p.m. CET. Again, guys, this live streaming tomorrow, only tomorrow. We're not gonna have any update live streaming or on YouTube just for tomorrow because I will be back home and on the road, and the internet will be really difficult to have a good connection. So that's why we're gonna postpone our live streaming on Wednesday because tomorrow is Tuesday. Thank you for your understanding, everybody. And remember, today we have a nice pre-market, but during the market right now is kind of tricky for the market. It's not stable. We have a pullback for the market. Deep Stock Hunter, you are welcome. Um, GameStop is still going down, everybody, still going down. I don't understand your question, Shannon G. Sander. How scanning this aimbot? Aimbot, brother, we have a major news for this talk. And of course, the technical looking beautiful. So that's why we watching aimbot. That's why it hit our scan. Simple as that. And we might have a good trade for it if we broke the $2.11. So the only one that look good right now for another kick, guys, is aimbot 100%. FFIE is going near the bottom with GameStop and AMC. So we might have a reversal, guys. Reversal time, guys. Reversal time for all the stocks. Especially AMC is getting near a major support. FFIE, the same. Major support 60. And MBOT major breakout around the 21 or $2.11. So which one will be the first? This one I'm going to lower the resistance or the breakout here. Yes, getting good. Okay. GameStop still going down, guys, 22%. What a roller coaster ride for GameStop. Okay, let me just check SMR because we got many requests for it. 99% down. No, 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 no. This one is dangerous. This one is dangerous, guys. It's halted. Still hold it down. I think we have a news of split or something, but this is not normal. Okay, so $1.89. This is ASRT, guys, look better. We have the 126 reversal or breakout. Many of you asking about this because we have a huge short interest for this one and could squeeze as well. So I'm gonna keep it on the list. Of course, it's still on the list, but the volume is really light for it. Really light. So I'm gonna keep it on the list just in case. CRKN, on the other hand, need to break this shallow in order to have some action. For now, is not ready yet, but it looked really beautiful for a trade. Perfect. So CRKN is still on the list. Lucy is still on the list. Hologram. I don't like this trade anymore, man. It's kind of up and down and it's not stable. The same with the YGMZ. Even the ticker symbol is crazy. DJT, I'm gonna keep it. STSS, I'm gonna take it from the list. And ONMD, we're gonna keep it. SCBX, it got shorted, but it's still looking beautiful because we have a nice resistance to break next time. SMAT, nope. And bot is about to squeeze right now. So we have MBOT and FFIE, AMC, and GameStop. So let's check FFIE, nothing. So MBOT, guys, is about to squeeze. So let us tune to MBOT, guys. If we had this reaction, would be hallelujah. Yes, I would be ready for this one because it's about to squeeze here. Guys, hit the like button on the way in because we have a huge target. It is a glitch. What's a glitch? Greg, man, Mbot is the one. Yes, man. This one is the one. But now is getting shorted by the short seller. That's why it have a struggle to break the $2.11. But we might have a break right now. I will be ready. Let's see. We might have a break at any time, $2.11. If we don't break, it's me, we're gonna go down. This is it, $2.11. Come here, boy, come here. Say hi to our friends here. Say hi. You want to trade with us? You want to trade with us? No? No? He I think, guys, he said to walk him outside. He's getting tired. He want to be in the park or something. Okay, man. Give me some few minutes. I will walk you. Okay. Man, dogs, they just want to have fun and fly and just walk. And then he just look at me and and tell me, come on, Jesus, stop trading and just make me walk with you outside. Really simple life. Anyway, Tribal Tech, SMR and GLB and Gold Glitch. Anyway, we have MBOT, guys, looking pretty nice for a breakout here. SMT reversing, FFIE getting near the support, AMC is kind of reverse, and GameStop, but we might have a pull trap here, so the same like happened here, push up then push down, because we didn't test the support yet around 26. Yeah, so we've got a bit of seller around the 30.89. If we don't break this level, it means we're not ready to have a squeeze up. AMC the same, we've got a bit of reversal. MBOT is about to squeeze everybody, so we have to tune in to MBOT as well. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. We always do our live streaming every day, guys, 30 minutes before the market open. So if this is the first time for you, remember to tune in more earlier this next time in order to have more action and be ready to trade with us. And of course, before that, we always do our early hunt here on our Discord and Patreon. Today we did a good trade and closed our trade for GameStop early around the $40. We anticipated this short open, and AMC around the 543, and of course FFIE as well. Our hunter Dave, of course, he just closed his trade as well. Again, Dave, if you watching or listening to our live stream, let me know, because you upgraded your level from the discipline to the elite, so you have access to our elite exclusive live alert and of course live streaming, early live streaming, and the Zoom meeting. So I'm gonna show you how it works live right now. It would be easier for you to understand, but if you're not, I'm gonna already send you a message about that. Anyway, we've got many question here. Which one is good to trade in pre-market? Robinhood doesn't have it. Good question, guys. We have a great question from one of our hunter here. He don't have a pre-market. He want extended hours. So you can have it here, brother. You can trade anytime, and of course extended hours for both Momo and Trading 212. So Tanib Life, if you hear me, you have two broker, brother. You can try. Both of them have extended hours. Both of them is really good to trade extended hours in pre-market or after hours. Plus you don't have to pay like fees or anything, and you have a big market to trade on, and more flexible, and of course it's easy to open account with them. So MBOT is not ready, guys. SMMT, nothing. SCBX went down. So yeah, AMC and GameStop not ready yet, but MBOT, as we discussed, guys, the $2.11 is our resistance to break. And yeah, we have to break the $2.11 to have action. I think we're gonna have a breakout right now, guys. I think we have a breakout. We might have a breakout anytime soon right now for this stock. 2006, this is the last chance that we're gonna have for MBOT right now. We have the break will be perfect toward the 241. Again, after this, guys, after we finish this trade, we've got just a few minutes left. We're gonna take your question here on Discord. So if you are one of our member on Discord and Patreon, you can join us there, and we could answer all your question after we finish our live streaming right now. Hi brother, did you just buy a dog? No, it's not my dog, man. He's my friend dog. Yes, he's really cool. And I think he come to me, he's like, oh, please walk me outside. And I told him I'm trading, man. Yes, he's a good boy. SB, John SBEV. Okay, I'm gonna check it for you, brother. SBEV. Right now, I'm gonna check it for you. And yes, I'm gonna check it right now before I finish my live streaming. John, of course, brother, you can just send me a question later on after we finish right now. Yeah, there is a big resistance here around the 32, and yeah, around the 42, brother, and around the 51. So we have two levels. Yeah, 51 and 42. So once we break the 32, we have the 42 and the 52. So those two levels that we have to watch to have a profit at. Yeah, 40 and the 52. So John, if you can hear me, 24 is the support, resistance 32, profit taken for this one is around the 40 and the 51. But there's no action right now. So we have to wait until we have some action. So now there is no action until we break the 3260 in order to have profit around the 40 and the 51 for SPEV. Hopefully you got this, man. Hopefully you got this, John. Dave, all is set. Okay, Dave is here. Nice, brother. Great hunt, brother, for today. Nice hunt on GameStop, brother. As we suggest, take your profit. That's why we exited. Anyway, brother Dave, after we finish our live stream right now, you see here, man, we have many our elite hunters actually ask question here. John always ask me question after we finish our live streaming. So if you have any question regarding stock, how to enter and exit, because you are you just upgraded your level from the disciplined hunter, then the king, and now to the elite. Now you opened this channel, which is called Elite Request. As you see here, we have many requests. Last time it was on hologram. You see here before the breakout that happened today. You can ask me about, for example, John asked me about hologram. I'm gonna do a chart analysis for entry and exit for you during the market open. Okay, this is only for our elite members, guys. If you have any question, if you are at the king level and discipline hunter, your question will be answered in pre-market the next day. However, in elite, we'll reply on your question during the market open live, okay? For entry and exit for many stocks. Plus, you have one-on-one meeting, of course, as you can see here. and swing trade, and of course um, live chart analysis for mini stocks, plus the day trade. So unicorn hunt is the, we call it unicorn hunt because it's for day trade. So you're gonna have access to the unicorn hunt as well, and the other swing trade and crypto trade. Of course, you can send me any message, Dave, after we finish our live streaming. Only there, brother. Only there to reply fast on you. And if you have any question, I'm gonna answer and clarify anything or any confusion you have. It's really simple, guys. We make it really straightforward here on our Hunter channel. But it didn't break, guys. It didn't break yet, the 2011. So, guys, this is it. GameStop and AMC pulling back. However, BPTH, we might have a breakout now from the 3.75. So we're gonna do update, of course, later on for those stocks because we have just 5 stocks, but all of them are pulling back right now. All of them are pulling back. Dave, 9,208. Okay, I'm gonna try to remember your name here, brother, to know that you, because you are an elite member on our Patreon, so I'm gonna remember your name here. The good thing is you have the same name, because sometimes we have some members on Patreon and they come here on YouTube membership and they have different names, so it's really hard to spot. That's why it's just for them to sign up to YouTube membership, at least to have the star next to the name, to know who's support us and who's actually elite, or at least uh, support our community. You can support whatever you can, guys, is even with like and share our live streaming is really good and enough for us. Sharing is caring, of course. Spreading the love, spreading the word is more than enough from us, because here we try to help other traders to know how to trade and not lose money, because that's what I started. And nobody helped me and started to lose money. And I know this is really a struggle, guys, to start anything without like a help or a guidance. So I can feel what a lot of people went through. Even have many news about people lost a lot of money on GameStop and AMC because I got a mini Zoom meeting, and I can feel that struggle, because once you put all you have in one stock and you think that will go forever, then go down on you, is kind of scary, because you don't know how it works, what you should do, average down or whatever. So that's why we try to build a community, helping each other, not losing money, of course, then gaining money, and support each other as traders. Okay, string picking, AFMD, wow. AFMD, let me just check. AFMD, I will check it right now, brother. Wow, holy moly. AFMD, guys, the brother string picking. This one is really risky because already jumped, and of course we don't have clear support or resistance for it. Plus the volume is really light. So this one I'm gonna pass, man. I'm gonna pass on this one. Maybe later, maybe tomorrow after we have different set of information or technical change. But now I will pass. Dave, struggling between stocks and Roland Garros. Who's your favorite player? Who you watching? To be honest with you guys, this year I didn't watch Roland Garros because I'm traveling. And guess what? It's like I'm living in France, so it's easier for me to watch it. But I'm traveling. Maybe I will have a chance to go the next weekend to Paris because I'm going back to France by tomorrow. Nice Gucci bag. Yes, we'll be in the Game of Thrones shares, man. The best share. It's good to break the routine sometimes, guys. It's good. Sometimes having a routine is good, but Staying under routine for years is kind of not healthy, you know. Your brains will build some dust and you'll be rigid, you know. You never think outside the box. It's good sometimes to break the routine. John, nice. Do you watch the cricket live or you watch it from your TV? هلا بالشيخ الشباب. Oh man, I think just from this comment, man, I think I'm gonna open a Trading Jesus channel for Arabic traders. This will be really fun, but I have to start from scratch to build my like my Arabic words in trading because I know nothing. I have to relearn Arabic because of that. Oh man. Oh man, he said this is really important. He would be the first follower. Thank you, man. Thank you. I think from just your word right now, from what you said, I think you are from Middle East, like Saudi Arabia, and I don't know, like Dubai, something like this. Because Sheikh al-Shabab, this word is kind of for Middle East. Yeah, Kuwait, for sure, man. You know, the guys from Kuwait, man, they know how to eat. You have the best food over there. The best dish, I think, in Kuwait and Saudi Arabia is the rice with with lamb cooked underneath the earth. Oh man, I saw a lot of videos. You are crazy people over there. They eat a full lamb, man. Uh, you are my friend, man. If I went to Middle East, I'm gonna visit you just to eat. Exactly. So DBTH disappointment didn't break the resistance. The game stopped right now. We might have a reversal later, so we're gonna do update everybody. In the time being, we have Mbot is still looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna put Mbot and BBTH first. We already traded AMC and GameStop in early live streaming, guys. That's why we suggested exit, not to hold, because we suggest to exit then enter if we have an breakout from the resistance. That was safer to protect our profit, guys. And of course, Dave, one of our elite hunter, took his profit as well around the 41. And our live streaming that we do every day is around the 1 p.m. CET, guys, or 2 hours 30 minutes before the market open. You can join us, guys, and have access to this early live streaming in order to be prevent this situation from exiting from those stocks that pumping in pre-market, because during the market you see what's happened. The market never recovered and continued to go down. The link in comment section below, of course, if you want to have access to this live streaming and other day trade, swing trade, crypto trade. We have many stocks to talk about, of course, and community to discuss and answer your questions. So it's not just live streaming. And first, you have to join our Patreon, of course, to have access to our Discord. Discord is completely for free. And once you join Patreon, you have access to Discord easily. So I'm gonna send you the invite link, even if you can't link Patreon to Discord. So it's really simple, guys. Don't overthink about how to start anything. First, you have to do the action. Second, you will know how to do anything. It's like driving a bicycle, you know, you don't overthink about the physics, how to drive a bicycle, you just drive it. And then when you have the movement, boom, you're gonna get hang of it. It's the same with trading. You have to have the bicycle in the first place, then don't think about how to ride a bicycle, just buy the bicycle, then you just push yourself. This is our Discord and Patreon. We'll push you on a bicycle, and then you're gonna ride your bicycle, then motorcycle, then airplane, then a rocket to go to another universe if you want. So this is how you think about trading, step by step, guys. What happened to SMR? We're gonna check it later, but now Mbot is gonna do something, guys. SMR 98% is halted down, guys. This is halted down for days. I think halted on bad news, I think. So I'm not gonna trade this one. Import, guys, is breaking out from our resistance, so we have a nice trade. The only stock that looking good, guys, is Import right now. The best entry it was on the market open around the 130, and now we have another breakout. We might have a fake out, guys, so that's why we're watching this one right now, if we're gonna break or not. Let me just check again. We didn't break yet. Yes, around the 215, but still looking good. Anyway, guys, hit the like button on the way in. Remember, as a reminder, tomorrow we're not gonna have a live streaming on our YouTube, plus even on our Discord Patreon, because I will be on the road back home. So just tomorrow we could it will be hard for us to do the live streaming, because there is no internet connections, strong internet connection or stable one, in order to do the live streaming. So see you on Wednesday, guys. See you back on Wednesday to discuss the market for the entry and exit. And of course, if you are on our Discord and Patreon, we might do a short analysis update for you guys for the entry and exit for stocks. Okay, no live streaming, but we can do at least short analysis update, or reply on our elite members about short analysis for entry and exit for mini stock that pumping for tomorrow. So thank you for watching, guys. See you by tomorrow. And of course, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification if you not already did that, in order to be notified for Wednesday hunt. Thank you for watching. See you by Wednesday.